Okay, here it is, a 1965 Chevy pickup truck. The tailgate's in pretty good condition. Normally these rust out down here, but this one's still in pretty good condition. It's been stored for the last 11 years inside that garage right there. So the tailgate's got these things right here. That's how those look. Right here is where you can adjust the height with air. It's got a wood bed right there. These come with kits, so you can make the bed look real nice. The bed's in good shape. It's got dual exhaust. Sorry it's dark out. I just got back from up north. It's got some interior work that was done to it. Like there's a pad right there, and there's new carpet. Here's where the gas gets filled. The tank's back behind the seat. Here's what the dash looks like. There's the steering column. It used to be 3 on the tree right here, but now it's got an automatic. Let's see, right here. Okay, so I've been gone all day. I started out this morning. Here's the choke right here. So there's just a dummy light. That's padded. There's a mirror right there. Windshield wipers work. There's the lights. You can see the bright. It's got a switch on the floor. The heat works. Of course, it doesn't have any AC. There used to be a radio here. Here's the glove box. There's the other door. And it's got the vents. I don't know if you can see the vents, but it's got vents down below there. It's got those cool windows right here. There's the handles. There's a little armrest. And I put seat belts in here. So this is a shoulder strap. This is how you shift. In order to go into reverse, you got to pick it up, and then you slap it to drive it. Okay, you can't see that. There's a handbrake down here. There's some rust right here. A little bit. It's not gone through yet. That was repaired. Still got the original chrome here. That's what the front looks like. I'll show you the engine. The guy I bought it from El Paso, Texas, so it's a desert truck, so it's in pretty good condition. But this guy was rebuilding it to turn it into a show truck, but he never finished. So this is all chrome here, chrome here, chrome there. 350 Chevy, 8-cylinder. Got a little chrome air cover. You can't really see the Edelbrock valve covers. Sounds pretty good. I'm going to go in there and step on the gas. Step on the gas. Tap it. Just go run, run. The right one. Keep on going. Not so much. The carburetor needs to be adjusted. That's good. Like I said, it's been sitting for 11 years. I bought a new battery, put some oil in it, and it started right up. Here's the heater right there. That's got chrome on it too. Got some more rust coming through here. I don't know what this was, whether that somebody put a step there or not. Doors are still solid. Here's what a better shot of that door looks like. So there's some rust. There's some rust, but it hasn't rusted through. Oh, there's some right there. There's the other exhaust. Chrome's in decent condition. And the bed is 8 feet long, so it's not a short bed truck, which makes it kind of unique. Okay. Sorry about the tire. It's my spare tire. So if you got any questions, let me know. Latch that up there. All right. Take care.